As we age, fine lines and wrinkles appear on our face and our skin becomes dull. The firmness of our skin is lost due to less production of collagen. Advanced technology has made it possible to treat these skin issues at home, and the facial toner device is one of the best options for your skin. Today we are going to talk about 5 best toning devices which will make your skin flawless and beautiful. So let's get started.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Microcurrent is a low-level current which helps in facial stimulation and reduces your skin's aging signs. The Multifun 3D Microcurrent Facial Roller is a microcurrent anti-aging facial roller which promises to give your skin the best anti-aging results you have been looking for. It comes with 3D rolling ball and a V-shaped 70-degree angle grip, which makes it a perfect and handy tool for your skin. This roller can also be used on multiple organs of your body. It improves your facial contour and tone and promotes blood circulation. The innovative design of this tool reduces your wrinkles, relaxes your muscles, and lightens your dark circles. This facial roller is portable, so you can carry it anywhere you want. It works on solar power, and it doesn't require any battery or charge to function. The Multifun 3D Microcurrent Facial Roller has earned many ratings and reviews on Amazon. According to the reviews, it is easy to use and works like magic. But some users complained that the microcurrent effect was disappointing and didn't meet their expectations. Let's check out the ratings for the toning device. The Kristine Facial Massager Roller is everything you need for a younger-looking skin. It is also a great alternative to regular microcurrent facial toning devices. This facial massager reduces puffiness and swelling of your face muscles. Its unique V-shaped 3D metal ball sculptor works well on your skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It also improves dark circles. The skin roller drains fluid from the face, helping you contour your face. It also tightens pores and enhances moisture absorption. It effectively tightens your skin and reduces aging signs. The Kristine Facial Massager Roller is made to give you a professional facial experience. It has gained many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it is easy to use and delivers great results. This product is highly appreciated by users, and it haven't received much negative review. Time to check out the ratings. Sensitive skin is often in need of massage and therapy. The HaloVa 3D Roller Face Massager comes with a suitable technology to make you get rid of your skin's sensitivity and reduce its aging problems. Its Kneading Technology relieves sensitivity and alleviates tension. It comes with a Platinum 3D roller and 360 degrees rotate design, which makes it adjustable with your whole body. This roller tightens your skin and works as a massager for your entire body. It is also waterproof and eco-friendly. The HaloVa 3D Roller Face Massager is a great tool for toning your skin. It has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it's a great body massaging tool and is approved by estheticians, although some users complain that the roller breaks very easily. It's time to rate this toning device. The TOUCHBeauty Microcurrent facial roller comes with a unique design, which is suitable for your facial skin as well as your body. It comes with advanced microcurrent technology, which gives you bright and clear skin. Its 360-degree 3D rolling design adapts to your entire body skin. It also has a 70-degree V-shaped lifting complex, which tightens your skin and improves blood circulation. This device helps to enhance metabolism and eliminates excessive fat. It also helps in body shaping and fights anti-aging signs. The device is charged by solar energy. It is compact and portable, making it easier for you to carry it everywhere. The TOUCHBeauty Microcurrent facial roller has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews from users, the product is of good quality and works great, but some users complained that they faced problems while charging the device. Time to check out the ratings. If you want professional microcurrent results on your skin at home, the NuFACE Precision Facial Toning Kit is the perfect choice for you. Its FDA-Cleared facial stimulation treatment promises to take care of your aging skin. The Trinity device comes with a facial trainer attachment, which improves your facial contour and tone. The effective lip and eye attachment targets the hard-to-reach fine lines. The wrinkle reducer uses red light therapy to prevent and reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your skin. This device comes with a charging cradle and power adapter so that you can use it wherever you go. The package also includes a NuFACE Hydrating Leave-On Gel Primer for lasting skincare benefits. The NuFACE Precision Facial Toning Kit has earned many ratings and reviews on Amazon. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews, this device is easy to use and works great on your skin, but some users complained that they faced charging malfunctions. Let's check out the ratings for this toning device. So these are our top picks toning devices. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.